Okay, this is another program run through for Benevolent Chum site of a MC10 program. This one is another port of a classic game called Santaparavia.Bas, which is basically a variation of a God program where you're kind of in control of a city, an early forerunner of the ideas of sim programs. You type in your name and your basic information, like the level that you want to play at, and then you start off as the head of this Italian city-state, in this case Paravia, and you have to feed your peasants, buy land to grow more grain for your peasants and other people in your land, nobles and so forth. And then you have to release the grain to feed the people. In this case, I have plenty of grain, so I can release plenty of grain, in which case lots of serfs get born. You have to set your customs duties, your sales tax, your wealth tax, what kind of justice you're going to impose. In this case, I'm going to impose harsh justice as a ruler. And then you can buy basic things like a marketplace, a woolen mill, build a palace or a cathedral, equip a platoon of serfs as soldiers, each one costing a different amount. If you buy those items, I'm going to buy all three and go into debt. You can go into debt if you want, but it's very risky. But once you start building those items, you can get a basic graphic screen display. Oops. A map. And has the classic Santaparavia surf graphic of a plowman behind a horse or a oxen. There's a castle I've built, and a market, and a woolen mill. I didn't build a cathedral, but that would be there. Anyway, so that's the classic game, Santaparavia and Fumatio, a basic program version for the MC10.